This is the all-new Holiday Path Scenic coffee maker. It's lightweight and has a cordless design, meaning you can take it anywhere. For example, a camping trip without any electricity. This machine is ideal to brew 2 cups at once and has a removable cover. The first thing you want to do is set your cup down, open up the cover. You can either place the cup inside of the machine or use the included cover. Then cover the machine back up. And now I'm going to demonstrate you some of its features. So that top part up there that has those 2 circles, that is a little small display that tells you each feature. And this other black spot here is the screen that it tells you all the features and the estimated time remaining. This unit is apparently a demo display, meaning it does not work. It's only recommended for store use only. This machine also has a heavy-duty motor and has a 10-year warranty. So what do you think of this? Let us know down in the comments. And I'll catch you in the next video.